to who wants sense in rain, a mooya rare, the more money, who do you feel my quantum of cloak? And when you say, I walk away, and you say, Uncle Sammy, no one, no one. I was so many quantum, and who wants sense in rain, a mooya rare, the more money, do you feel my quantum of cloak? When you say, I walk away, and you say, Uncle Sammy, no one, no one. And it was yet then you may be a radio, no, I don't reflect. Nyinsen, I walk away. I don't know what you know. Radio, no, I don't reflect. Nyinsen, I walk away. 106.3. Radio, no, I don't reflect.
Yamaya nyina yanwa kwaba ma wadwon famra Adom 106.3 FM Nyinsen any award dwumedie no na nenso kwasiada enwumre braso say yede ebrawo na Nyinsen award ne coronavirus de na sese de tie bia na wose yenso yeka bie nenso na enwumre no nkomo no efa glaucoma ho yebedi sa nkomo no ye hwe ni mo ye se no nwotwe Ghana mampani adodanko akufuado wode corona no ho update bi mbesa breye ye de ministry no ye na wia no a ye hwe ni mo se mampani so ebema yembie enti ene ye ntena afrisa breye di glaucoma ho nkomoi ebre ye benya mampani ne no apepepe no ye hye mo bo se dio ode betu dwa no ye be fa bie na fa ye hunu nia cross abre de Nyinsen ene award dwumedie na wutie Adom 106.3 Adom live our Facebook for comment egu ho ye be kenkan ni nyina nso de amount na Fasidama endpoint homeopathic clinic for ye don say papa eso okọ na okọ hwese de wapomden ho nsam ni nyina tie so immune system ano adwode a ene yare bi ekowu na ba bekra wo tie so hwese immune system ahoden ni wom se be ya bre bia yare bi ba obetimi akon Eddie
Jennifer.
Yare bi ha wo memma no titru don so wote ya wo mesrew ko endpoint ho don so na hu su fita mesrew ko endpoint ho na yen show emma wo ho entumi enye wodene ofre endpoint was 0244867068 yare bi free screening na ekoso obehwe okama ede amaye na da roman ye de Nyinsen ni award dwumedie ebrewo na ubeka se glaucoma ni Nyinsen ni awo hwe enkura no so se ya nhwe wo mu yie ya ntoto ne ema yie abatan no no so a etiminya nsunsan so wo nkoda no wo mani na nsa ne be konkomo ne mu kura no ye ne Ghana fo bi ya won so anya problem e wo mani edi nkomo na yenkotie yenuanu mu bi ya ye no mo kasa obi kware na ni ne ko obi so de ohunu ne ntam na o siesie enti wutie no no wasua mu ade na wo so ahwe kwan a wo befa so na wo bɔ wani ho pan de afri glaucoma ho na ye wi a ye doctor pani Dr. Rachel Kusi Akosa ye ne di nkomo na afi wa kire ye hye no so se samampani ye ready se wo de sede coronavirus ho nsam ne tie wo mamu tudwa ye be break way no ne yakɔ ne yakɔfa bi yenya nnu hɔ idie yenkotie yenuanom yi a wonya haw awani ebimra
Jennifer.
Almost getting 20 years now. If I'm not exaggerating, it started with just ordinary any first doctor no name glaucoma, so we're treating a different thing. From there he traveled. It was later I went to Lekma, and then they decided glaucoma about 15 years now, and so I've been with it for almost 15 years now. Seriously, 15 years now.
15 years into when you na efra na se ba ko.
Then I can see me kind Bibia also give the spectacles. And without the spectacle, make my own Bibia, but kind in a meet me kind without the spectacles. I tell you, when the written a bold, yeah, meet me kind without the spectacle.
Not just a walk out the own in term the hospital in term no.
And yes, as well, another thing is Dr. Aminino, oh no, Madam B, on no abome pa serious because mama asked me who said. That you know, with me, thought I go there. I bet you will never be blind.
before madam ya ukoto no like my oboa wo no na what glaucoma nka
yes me see you see cataract ni glaucoma now oma mama say glaucoma is more dangerous than cataract. I see it very light. So me nim adro dia me start down every 2 weeks me to one medicine
na boy
1.6 160 cedis and I use it for 2 weeks na masakoto. So for the past 5-6 months years there I've spent more than 6,000 even more than for medicine alone, and the medicine is very expensive. Very expensive. People bring me to
na mo say then e course
ono omuka say 3 ways others ensio mu say ya akoda na say who joro ensio mu a river mu a ebe timi dia ba. Secondly say inherited say say wabusia mu dia, and the third one timi ba at any time. So there are 3 things me so ya abusia mi obi animbi so me say bia ma befram na ensio mu na me jora na say abakeke. It just came like that. Etero say I don't know sir na man ko ton tema ona be ma me eyelids no na ekika me pa enyi me pa, not the eye itself but the eyelids no and na ebe tion ebe yin mi sa na fe na ma ni nyina kusu mi ntimi hu so me start this one na ye clear patra and they said that's why it is. I have decided that the bias minister address I have to get it, and it's not the only one. I use two times all the time. Me way after 5 years, I did bakuna Zalatan Combigan. I'm gonna try use it the bia. No boy, Zalatan there 200 and Combigan there 160.
It is so bit one so no so far the message of glaucoma light to send your fan near the answer now back at channel.
And the only thing I say, the new Friday, and then you should take it very light. But if you want to stay longer, it can never be cured, but you can maintain where it has reached so that it can sustain you. Advice and more, or take it very light, they should very because if you don't have eyes, then you are useless. Sorry to use the word.
I have no idea.
Now I'm from hospital.
There be not many young issue. Say, Bibisa, in my 24th year, no. And I realize say my eyes were like my left eye was not seeing well.
And see, who say we left her eye now, shy, who are dear, you know, then now you found.
And a medical hospital, medical Emmanuel Eye Clinic.
So quite almost a day.
And I'm catch him say glaucoma or whatever they call it.
I see. Now before then, before sad diagnosis, no what glaucoma and kada.
That Martin because now even in his accordion or my new about it, so I'm much aware about it. I'm much aware about it. The other say I'm and I may Google made a lot of research about it. I mean the prevention, the cure, you know. It's me reading more, no. Let me say no. You're born in pound. So I'm yet disturbed more. So I don't know the mommy no. I say me eye pressure no. I was full. And see, yeah, the junior mommy say me eye pressure no and normalize it. But the more I use the drugs the more the pressure will go high.
Into what the medication so na right eye no so assign echo off.
Echo off.
Oh. Now fire could go through sir. Apart from say when you no what other effects now when in your ya na your day?
Initially before the call off no. Na me o ha na coming this
when in a cow.
Times coming. Badly pa.
Na na cow head oposa.
When because see I catch him say yeah mommy Musa ni nangata me nine chino me me pusa me nine chino baby enwini wono awo me forehead no so no me so homum na me pusa honum
na ukoye no mo say then e cause apart from high pressure ni ade na uka no is it say we busuam anasa dey
almost say hereditary, but to be honest, it didn't need busuam.
We are sure our extended family ni nyina mo hu say
yes both patana matana
anyway busuam
obi no one in afa
and say be a wo mu but e be omo mu de no mo hwe kanti e fry de ati say
this na mo kan there bit me hereditary and na say I don't know. The actual cause needed, they don't know. They say they can't tell. Maybe I inherit or.
Until now, so your driver and to see now a call off crown. Where they?
The minuscule because the Nina and the best driving.
Into to fear.
My 5 years most of more hospitals near the end. How about Kika? Because I know my more frustrated and they tell me no. I didn't say no help is coming from anywhere.
Now what worry?
Debut.
Only basso.
No Baba.
Now when you may wear then I cry no to me channel.
That is a problem. That is a problem.
Into what share near what family near dear ya? What can you tell people about glaucoma?
They are making me catch on when they have to be much careful about their eye. Like any sign they should go for a checkup. Because Uber say they are meaning and I say at times even like normal rainbow around
Yama munyina jo sama mo akwaba ye hwe ni mo say ye benya mampani adodan kwa kufu ado na fei ne ekoso na de owo edema no manfo no ye de abromo na yenyanya no de yenko na Dr. Rachel Kusi Akosa wono eye wo Dr. Pani eba ani ehun nsam a wabene pa dog enwe ye mo ajo
mejoso
ye da se papa me ye sure se watie ye nuan mo nsam a one more kan areho chese wo ene so ne ababa yese nya bibia na ehu bi no akase o wantu hu anamo glaucoma no ankasa no eye dia
and that's it glaucoma glaucoma is basically pressure in the eye na nipa any ehia some amount of pressure bia ebema ani na aye adwuma kama ani ade but edru time bia na pressure na bibinti na amana koye high na ekọ high na ewo damages bebra eyema nipa nani eka the main nerve, that is the optic nerve. Information in bibia kwa adrenaline no. Sa high pressure no eka nipa no sa part no. Na enya kan optic nerve na ekunu kakra. Ebedu time bi no. Say ye hu ni ntem na say ye hu hwe na enye yi. Yeah.
Na dia ne beka ma pressure na kosro. Ani de ho na ema ne pressure na de pressure bebe ni so.
Yeah. Enti ubusa me no menim say Facebook live na. Me wa pictures via ebi omo motion no. Me de actually am omo ahwe. Nti wo hwe nipa ani no this side na. Say neti. Enti say neti. Anim ha no pressure produce wo ani na a flow say ya na ekọ. Sa na a flow na ekọ.
Fache yo see na.
Okay. So a produce wa ha na flow through this part neko na air produce wo hosa no it could put some amount of pressure say them sika no the pressure is around 11 to 21 enti ayesa na emanipa no ani no edansuo metima no ye adwuma kama na say them si kire no obusa me question obi wo ho a eso no kra air produce no eba too much enti a produce one age na aninum this side entimi enflow enko obo also enso na produce no enye too much na emom na produce akwan na befa so akọ afi aninum no ekwan na si enti enso no eso ebegina animu ha it at the end of the day no enso na egina ha no
akaya apegya no koso kakra de ne yenhu ne ye afi na kire ye
okay it at the end of the day no enso na egina ha na eye pressure high pressure no enso no ebe pushy ebu lens way to the back anase ebe fa ni say akọweke to affect the main nerve, the optic nerve. It's as far as not affected optic nerve now. What an ekunu kakra. Nipa no so onim se bibi sa na ye the AC e wona ninum. Enti eye sa na when you know e frabat unim. Sanity. Yeah.
Oh. Now when a monka ye bia on.
Most of the time a monka ye.
Sa?
Yeah, a monka ye.
Na see am say ade we ensuo no kwa ba bi eni kwan say eguo na akwa akose wani
aha eno tena da bia ye tufo say glaucoma no eno de ade abetima ye ho bibi nti obi anya den obi anko check up most of the time no ense da emon kaye but obi ohwo a edu time bia bi mo ho mutimi hu rainbow colors around lights. Aha, and I say be a friend halos. I say small once na ewo light ho. Into no so shout to me ho. Obu also cry and need me red. And obu also has sudden pain. Na need to severe pains all of a sudden. Ni nyina so ho. Aha. It is a wood to wanna say be obi wa kwa na boot me fno no. Na ninti. Yes. Enti ano no de sometimes the severe type. Eno cry enu wona say ni no akwa anim kakra. But empen bebre no de enya ade e bon kaye. Wote hwa na afa ose de yesi the silent thief enti emma wonkaye wote wo wani age kobaye wadwuma de usika gu botom ni ade glaucoma na shaase a emma wonkaye ena arehosam ne say nipa wo hwa ade a wo hwa ade straight but there is a part of your eye it looks at the periphery that the sides enti wo hwa ade straight na wo hu ade kama but glaucoma na shaase a fi wani no ne sides wo mo picture bi wo ha me pesa me de kire ebia ayifo no
Facebook no ukoko obehu
enti on say osha normal person no hu ade kama e won anim kama but osha ye wa ha ohu glaucoma no achase e na e ban ele glaucoma hu say ade wa nchan a on hyedan hu
ase why you soon
yes but onim
afe na beda Facebook no so ye enti first one ye papa no ho
first one ye papa no
and ohu ade clear
ohu ade kama bibia ye complete but we hu say ohwa ade na enchenchen ayesum but nipa no enya aware say bibi sempo na ekoso because ohun ade kama
Nelly fato de dog e kire no so na ye wi a other visuals now they ato so aha
ena ohwa we so a e ha so no extreme glaucoma na se ni didi ko na mpem bebre no obon se ebedru sa nipa na ba clinic no na just the no is almost gone edru time a ebeka sa the central vision no ehon na nipa be hu sa me kra mani asa enhu ade yi ti me fan kwa check up at that time no so no na say eya ye too late because optic nerve na ye kire say kita nipa ni no na say bebre na didi ko aka say bia nipa na kra ni vision beden ebeko sa time na bebre na de ba say mani enhu ade ti mo hwe mame obehwe na glaucoma edu advanced stage a obefight ya nyame amwa na ya akobone
aniema fo ya wo de kire ye de na ni e clear de eboboba de aboaba na kata ehan na manaka kitua bi basanka at least yes saying ka obehunu bibi kakra so ana ye aye say we no ma bia mani so na emi wisi ana
ade ba ko ne say glaucoma is a silent thief enti no say ba nshada mo nkaye won say nipa so no wo ya wo hwe central vision me hu ade kama obi wa bus me hu ade obi bia anyame wahu nanso no glaucoma ne wo ho ti most of the time no nipa adwen koso say me kura no sa ade was side am say dan hu obi wo nim sa na obi hu ade nti no nim say e bi kura wo hwa ade a wo say ka wo hu clear nti no say wa ma check up ama ya nhwa what na hwa wo mra na say do advanced stage a wo ya hu bibia e yeden no
Adofo Nyinsen ni awo na wo hwe wo Facebook Adom 106.3 wutie ye e wa Adom FM 106.3 na yeda YouTube nso na ayi Go TV channel ne yesa ho so yeda ho na DSTV audio ho so ko Adom FM 106 yeda ho live e wo ho hye nso se coronavirus no de wo hia ne se wo be wo hye won sa wo di nsuo ne samana e be wo hye won sa de betumi ayabo ye ho ban no na sanitizers no so amana ya available so wonni bia ene wo hu se de ho so aye drink kakra do the liquid soap bi na fa show ho mesrɛ mo sa practice we de emfa ni agro mom ye try ni enye sa practice ye mpanifo de maye so de code bi a chewo a emma da bi a wono hye no mu ana treat enye bia but code na so won so de asasa obi ntu de wo treat wo emme ba bi enipa dodo no ewo mom yenye sa de we beboa mo am enne wo dika bi achi no tinte so gu kwa tigu fom say mo so de nkrasesem say ya de ni wo tigu fom pio am say rade o de ye we chire mamo nyesa to tissue se o kan mu bibi sa no ate no achechire na de ato dance bi mo kama mom yenye sa ne ma we ya mpanifo bo ho dawuro ye ya e me chire ye ni di ye num so more se se me num cold water ye num warm water na nkum mu abia mum ye nya sade we edumre ye Nyinsen ni awo ena utie Adom 106.3 FM mon share ye Facebook no mon comment na mon like na unua bi nso entie said your dog ani ye fam glaucoma no chale e serious o hwemfoni na ode ema ye na Facebook da ho se nya wo fitin ya no ani no ekọ eye kakra eye Nyinsen ni awo ye beba nkura no nso efemu na yahwe se nkura nso ewo mu echefa na dog am se signs and symptoms no kakra e masaka na
meka se for now na no ano e so da amon kaye it is so when you sharp pains be so color so light na who rainbow colors around light and sometimes so no bibi say once na friend halos around light and nyina na say ohwe and ani pan kasa kra no doctor na wachada ya wo exams wo hwe wanim straight achada fa bibi call side na we say anyim bia bibi was side that utimi peke no ntemu ana wan kasa wo ya wo test na wo ahwe but most of the time no en shada mon kai nti no I think the checkup will be the best.
Okay, I was say brano ni ya ko check ye ni no ho. Then check you, just be atoso ana bi apollo bi no kra no ya kodra so bi ya kwa akoto. Gina wo kwabenya wono so ade atomo na gina de Nyankopon hia no papa campaign wo ye wo health programs no nyame hia papa na so bremayi chips. Nti gina kwabenya otie o share so munya ne sa mun share like and comment na muya ne sa de wo na ye bo no ebedu akiri mate se wo papa afim Nyankopon chekere wo ne abusua no enso ewe emfa emmaye dog yen hwe courses no die pa beginning no kan pressure na de ni no so no yen hwe courses na nkasa side pressure na me hunu de wono pressure bia ba bi ofi won so ade bia so pressure beda no so e de biem na etimi ema glaucoma ne ba.
Okay, to glaucoma na ye kan wasem no most of the time e abusuan yare e friend hereditary enti no e yare a e wa abusuan mu a so de abusuan bi wo ho a mo ye kokko mo ye tuntum sebi we ni we no sans na glaucoma na ye abusuan yare na most of the families ni ya aware say abusuan die sebi ni fra anase glaucoma ye bi wo ho enti no sa wo abusuan mu na se bi a obi anya bi glaucoma obi anya fra hwe kohwe se nipa da na ni fra no e denti and anasa den the course so any fra no say glaucoma dia meant na tutumika na be check up and na ebi wo so a ya be say bia diabetes hypertension and
diabetes na hypertension
ni nyina so
problem yes hypertension diabetic and MC abepie glaucoma no so
patron ti ni nyina so etimi cause glaucoma na dia nya ne sese bia wo glaucoma what's our diabetes, our hypertension, and no dear. Once I'm not yet treated, crying, I was a bomb pie can home because we're more near Maria. It will be a cosra, it's me canino, and also and I will be also swear or find nobis I find steroids. Well, and no beside be a mini be bar, pains be bar, there be a daughter man a drew to there be no one what to say, Bruno. So on you more, not just say, oh, no, sir. Say no, a bew of why. What the go and so doctor the man why can be a fan 2 weeks for 1 month. Doctor now the man on my the quantity of 2 weeks for review. Obu oba o sis kakra obetu enten all ma check up. Onyanya do na do ne container si ho. Tina ni ne yare yakakra o semi medu am fa me ho beto me no akoto adu no.
Oh, self medication.
And you know, self-medication is not the best because I drove you why you soon to us so a man in the baby. For instance, steroids in no ID be a pains near the treating. No, into Nipan the first I do now, both when you glaucoma ni be cry, no one work of farmer home, and also ever. And our face aging and cassa, uni crano, we are at risk of developing glaucoma. And our face so you will be more or more poor sight. Or poor sight, I did watch a cry, I am myopia for no. Almost in which are some at risk of developing glaucoma. But Nina Mono, a bushia diano annual day pa chain, Nina. And I can say Bushian, yes, be a bush and Nina be a benebi, a tea probability to well, Tinyano, when I will be ya.
Cribo, I will Bushian with the Answan, I know when you be on ya, but the Tinya once walk Akunya, and Aneba, a bit Timia. Oh, Samo. Other former who say a video woman ato Adom Facebook. Page Harry McDonough Was a good evening, Sister Fia, Michelle Live Wokofodua, Yadasi, Asante Evelyn, and so Priscilla entry, Chia, and you rain a root or being your bois, Chia was so tie pa, Nyame, and shall justice a procu, watch Chia now fay. Isaac Chumasin so dear any Israel Tel Aviv one war share fear coronavirus no has come to stay. We must be or may stay and any chromoha. I had about one time you go should and ding yeah boy who by Emmanuel all appear or boy say pompon so a ben bus stop or Edmond Curtains only I can you know your advert or share now Bernard so Sister Fia kindly please put his number on board for us. Yo, dog, the number no, to hold na fe who Chris Kwame Martin Ashiabo or say you guys are not serious. One or more can say. And you know, Yantwaso na Yanko and Samno. I had a near time. I had share pomodemo and some Emmanuel Gunning so as a topic in a year. Yankopon and Shamo Papa Adom Health WhatsApp group on Yamishamo some mobile campaign. Steven Anan war Italy. Yamen Kamunina Mohuate, Italy for Yamen Kamoho. Don't count Bia who Yansha Rex factors. Yet to me enya glaucoma dog.
In terms of risk factors no, and one causes na
but
one age nyini one say one feed when you're 40 years 50 years oh yeah risk what you are at risk wabusiamu se glaucoma ne bi wo marata ni fra bi wo ma kwa hwe ni fra no glaucoma na kwa hwe na kira kan because obi anya bi ne de nyese obenya but oh yeah at risk of developing it and na afa so no se bia ifra bibi trauma bibi bo wani obi wotimi accident na de ti aboho se oti bo ho a etimi e de glaucoma na by canteen na messages ni we ne eko adwenum na etimi cause glaucoma ana se bibi e bo wani that one too can develop glaucoma and yesi diabetes hypertension ni ade no ne nyina timi e cause glaucoma no enti de aka ne nyina ne se ment na ho e ma glaucoma na e me fawo because yesi is the silent thief e fawa untimi nya wo hwe nti be check na yenhu na je se yenso anoma wo
ani no nso yenton no malata enya kwa eko eno se ebo ye ni ho ban ye kwa ba ne abehwe se glaucoma timi affect babies nso a ye kwa ba ye Nyinsen ni awo na wotie wa Adom 106.3 media fia man kwa atamaklo so no so se coronavirus no ho sem no egusua ya yetu obia fo kwan ye befa so ma hunidi ya adwuma na yare ne yetu na se kura no ho anti mahu ni suro bia nkan wate ebi ma wo ho nti de hia so ba wo won sensuo ne samna endpoint homeopathic clinic ye dana se papa yenkwaje wadwaton de enkrato yeba yebeto so yenhwe niema hodo bia yede bebo ye ho ban free coronavirus eho yenhwe se yede nsuo ene samna ebe wo hye yensa anya kura no be 20 seconds se wo ho wonsa nsuo ne samna ni wi a hwe se wo di tissue ebe pepa na wato atwene dustbin mu se wo bowa anasa uhunsia yesro so obekata wo hene ana obekata wano sese paadie ehu behia se niema mu asoso no ubejai sa unwoshe wonsa nsuo ene samana hwesa wonfa wonsa enko wani ohene anasa wanumbra ekeka wo medi de afia mankwa atama komodin komo twetwe hia me wa Adom TV enkwahia so memenda anwumre no nso bia and a Nyinsen ni awo wa Adom 106.3 FM bedas yenti nyoma hudo bia ye be ya boye hu ban afri coronavirus eho sesei ehu behia pa se be bia enipadodo hia pa no ye bete so ewo ho se ye na ye kwa akofro trotro ana public transporter ye ni nipa edi entwianimu a Again, Shantadi, a Becata Yoho, Abo Yahu by a free coronavirus no ho. Yen Shapa, see entertained soon from Yemum, Sa O Boa, and I was Nizia. Fadia Catawano. Who we are, Santa Shubia, what here with Tishimu at Watchene. Sukumo Frano, the brasso saw see a chair woman near more the babo who buy. The Binesa for Ever said Yabenia sanitizer, Ama Womo. They are chair woman. Brano I was what you so ne samana I was sure one sa sanitizer no e bi ni ho se de ne ho kwa twe ya nya liquid soap e de hye wo mo bag mu a na wo mo e de akopro wo mo nsa enchiachia bebre wo school ne agodie bi ade mfifire e beba yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtu mmɔfra no nkɔfo ɛwɔ yɛnyɛ saa nneɛma wei nneɛma yɛ ho ban ɛmfiri coronavirus ɛho hyia me wɔ nkwahia Adom TV memenda wei ne memenda nnwummerɛ biara no nso ɛna Nyinsen ne awoɔ wɔ Adom 106.3 kwasiada wei ne kwasiada nnwummerɛ biara nnwummerɛ no wɔkye bidi afia amankwa samaklo ɛdas
so men kran kwantuo emu won sense bedure emu yare emu amane huno ti afia man kwata maklo e Nyinsen ni awo opre enu se on kasa nwie no na wanya wo na no aduro aboso men kran kwantuo emu won sense bedure emu yare emu amane huno ti afia man kwata maklo Nyinsen ni awo opre enu se on kasa nwie no na wanya wo na no enti kwasi adanyo mrebia radio no na Adom FM ti Nyinsen ya wo bre apono nwotwino radio no na Adom FM ti Nyinsen ya wo bre 106.3 radio no na Adom FM ti Nyinsen ya wo bre.
Yes, Samoa Joy, Yamo Kwabado, Adom 106.3. Nyinsen, any award you made, because then you may be an watch any at Sanse. Near Dim Commercial, mapping form, Quadana, Wawu, Munina, Sabia Bay, Kama, Free Brabbe, Fefro, and Ober War, now what it's a cranny in a home como, and ye do ewa. But any in an send you console about and because we saw on my fee, and I saw in Yakodana, dear, and this are however a home como and a brief beer ye did, and Nyinsen was so. Enti nana se wo se glaucoma no so ye ka ho asem fi se enkura ne awofo ebi obata wan hwe ohu ye na se okwanya ahwe na de akọwo akra ji se doctor na boa mo sa kwan no so dog enkura so wo mo affected babies glaucoma it me affect babies
me ba trying babies e must be na glaucoma ne bi yeah na sadi esika no ye se glaucoma ne ya de ayede wo ewa busuam na on say na me kire bibi elia we said that misika no say na nso ni produce a na afa ne say ya na ekọ na afa ne say ya na ekọ enti kwan a ebia akra befa so nya ne se ebia akra ne wa funumu no un sabi yare bia timi e kan akra no yare bi tse bia Rogers anomaly and Peters anomaly eno yare bebre timi kan akra na se affect kwan a inso ne befa so flow na akwa ne betmanya glaucoma ena maame na nkata so a obewo no ana papa no se mabusuam ebi so wo ho a etimi nya nkra no na enkra glaucoma no enya de a edoso na emom no sa akra so obenya no ne de severe pa MCA course be ka science ni ade beba enti no advisable say oba akra ansa na befa Nyinsen no ana Nyinsen bremu no kohwe se bia gwan kasa akra glaucoma no wo bia se be ya sa wo ba na akwa na kire wo science bia na de be kire wo ayi so a obewu se me wo glaucoma bia me bai so de say kire no ene e betima ba se bi na me bai enya ho no ano America now the number
okay
yeah
timi ya science no na ho no hia yem pa kora baby ono enya glaucoma de
in time say me the first sign e beto so
okay
we ohwa we no one eye ohwa na ni baako aya cloudy
that's a blue
Osha we so dia ne both eyes ni nyina
ma na so ye kakra nche ya we ne ntam dodo me hwe because Facebook ya na delay kakra nti wo hwe ya straight ni fa no hwe camera ni mu ye ma me wo ba Facebook sesi a Adom odi ato ho do page mu ko so kakra ba kuna na da so ho de but na dog de nti cheye mu ye me hu se ni ba ko ye blue
we na ni ba ko ye blue as a cloudy nti wo hwe ni reality a akra baby aya wo no wo hu we so they are the same blue na nani aye no kra na 2 eyes into the same na we so nani 2 ni nyina it's nice and ma me no e wo no fun ya fun mu no obahwe ne ba ameba yas nani ne black no kwa de nani na say white and I say blue and I say bibisa na ni black no en shira nya black so wo ba conditions sa e ho no de e ma de crunch so e we akra to me kan fa na bra clinic because we ya mistake sa sign no de very dangerous because crowd ya na intense nemom esi so a e was say na ye so anom ma enkra no
okay
and another way so a enkra etime ya omo ye friend saying wo hwe wo ya picture baako da nchen left and baako so that right na nani baako aye keto a chen baako wo aha eti ubon se obewa akra no me be di ase nani baako yi aye kete baako so aye kese ebi wo so kwa ni tu ni nyina timi ye akese more than normal enti unya hu sa sign na enye normal ment na wo se bia onyini ebeko emergency I was all the because enkra glaucoma ye kan ano odin into parents I will who sa no I was to make a den edneba emeye hwe no ena edu time bi so a obon se akra na nkasa no nani ba kutimi ye red
fiwa eho
aha into bon sa se moja beda akra nani so yes ebi wo ho a o wo akra no because of nurses for moji awo no nti omutimi de msaka akra nani ma otimi nya moja da nani so ene wo ho but obi wo so a yetimi wo no na so anya because of the glaucoma nti no emoja ba nani so enti meka se u parent abawo ba moja da nani so no memfa no sa akwa ma yenhwehwem I say bia say glaucoma no bia be so ano ntem ana say bia wa wo mu na bia oba no nurses for the musa kan ani nti na ni yes aso a na no so yehu ye ni nyina re mpese obewo akra fefefe na afi say be say ochina na akra na ni anya den enhu ade nti no bo no ho ban ansa na glaucoma na ye den awia wo ba no
okay me wa ayi me ba ketua bia na se na ni mienu nyina baby cry ye ne ba ha na me say obe 6 months Rashid we say na nini nyina ni mienu ni nyina ya try bia ni e hwe ba ko afei by the time we ba ko no na sa affect ba ko no
enti eno ye nema bia e wo ho a etimi hard we say me sikan no eye nkra most of the time no ano odin champion for all those intense no aha ena enkra kra no bi wo so ade de baye akra bi aba wo na akra no cataract ete wa akra ni so suppose na ni tu ni nyina ye white enti bi wo ho a wo say ho na ye bia ekwa surgery na ukwa surgery ni wi a sa surgery na wakwa etimi ko fa glaucoma ne de ba
na nini ye white na nini ye white asan na nini ye
there be ne lines no white the inside to hwe ni say na ni I was like a black inside bones a white dot pieces to no inside nipa san on shade hu ade yi into ohia surgery and now kwesa surgery ni wi mpanyifo kra na obitimi nya glaucoma after the surgery obu ha oni glaucoma ni bi but bi a cataract bi ana bi nti okwesa surgery ni wi pe na afa the glaucoma na ba enti no ni nyina no meka se eye mpaibo wo na na face so na wo se mo woni bre because I was say akra na ehu ni ntem na se right person eye surgery ni ade na me sure say better anya bia no e betima save akra no ani no kakra
Mabel amwa chia ye wo se adwuma na moye nyame nhira mo papa Frank e ko mensa hwe wo Dubai na afia wo se night program ye da se obomin anane afia nyame nhira wo ne dog na team na adwuma na moye ni Italy e no wo na Martin Dako chia ye Eric Badoma ono so wotema o se adwuma na moye na Nestina amwa se nyankopon nhira mo papa Nick the overcomer enso hye wo afienya nyamishra George Kunto hye wo Belgium na fe opon Matthew nso hye wo he onfe no amabato se nyamishra mu adwuma no a mo ye so se ye bia phone lines and me sure se bia wo questions ba ku mienu bi ya wo pese wo busa Dr. Fa glaucoma ye di ho enkomoyi na also what me the questions number 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 now the questions in aba dog ansa ne benye callers no kwan be ne be fa so aboy ye ni ho ban free glaucoma cataract de e do so a topic on its own kwan be ne be fa so aboy ye ho ban free mu
enti mesha asie se wo ho a I was said that be a ka check up na wabusua mu se glaucoma ne bi wo na se what is obi na glaucoma ne bia and every year bia ne cheda akwa ne 2 times ko check say wo ko check glaucoma obi wo ho a ye kan on ko check you owu se nkofo bia ba mo ye ice cream no akoye obu ya bia park so ice cream no akoye glaucoma no de se wo peni yi a I also back clinic emi hwehwe mu yi e check bibia ma e bia wo pressure if you want need pressure na it say wo ba doctor for e behwe ni nyina wo say se callers ne maya
omo ba ko so yem no na ye wie beto no so odo yem wanjo do ba Nyinsen ni awo so udin ba bia afre yemfi yem wanjo do ba Nyinsen ni awo so free he
If you are found that your friend number that one.
Yo yenti o.
The same business say any idea colors big better when it's for normal now.
Colors better.
I have to say cocoa bisa.
Cocoa did that when you so. Yo dog be ya no the amount ya that's papa. Yemfa of front so 0302 216561. Oro yo mwajo do ba Nyinsen ni awo so.
Hello, good evening.
Ya je osuma me na free he.
Pachem free asiama.
Yo yenti o.
Pachem pese mi bisa se wo hwe Nyinsen dan to say roof. Na say area touch you na when you start here cocoa at once eno so bit my glaucoma na.
Hwe no edaba ko pa na say
one day.
Yo dog be ya no de ama o ya da se papa ofofro nso ahoma no so ode yo mwadwo do ba Nyinsen ni awo so.
Good evening.
Ejo so papa na free he.
Atom free akosombo.
Yo yenti we.
Mini ya bi ko hospital na wo so wo de apaso twa no to ne to nam na wo de ya de koto nsuo mu no aye wo hospital wo mu wie wo mse wonya river blindness na no na mpese mi bisa doctor say river blindness no menti dreda na no so ene de en
na mpacho okoye na na etwa ne to de tu nsuo hie mu mente ho na se papa
woko medical exam en wo mu say examination mu no mu eye na sa test no
no mo se wonya river blindness. Into omu trying to no more the idea.
No, and the two no trying na this results no buy.
Dog, who question be a baby sanana because
send
one. Yo, papa, ye be ya no dog be mam munchi mo yada say. Yemfa of front so. Or your mojo ba Nyinsen ni awo so.
Pacho, your friend Alice, me free odoko.
Yo, Alice.
Pacho. Miss me or glaucoma ni biba me akwala no ena ye say from birth ena omoji awo na nsuo ni bi eso meni so but omokoye surgery no ena omo say if I go na say ebeye okay then I should live with it nti omo aye surgery omo aye she eno na me de ni a me nya 24 years
enti unhu ade
me hu ade by Michelle like no short way distance into Magellan me who long distance.
Oh, okay.
Like I did we try me who baby me who.
Okay. Well, dog be too for na fe wa hwe de obeye so aka ho bi mu a enko for how bi amro ye da say. Yen fe last call eh. Odo yam wadwo do ba Nyinsen ni awo so.
Yeah, could even your time
set yenti o.
Person said of the so that can not to be produced to the bar and then and to the who will be a Wosma Astra. That was my sentence to drink and the man.
Also, who be our idea?
Wosma Astra.
What the Astra so him?
You.
Now, can say a bear a bit me affect you, Diana.
You say a bunch and I was so you didn't go with it. The bands a bit my part to Indiana.
Nedintina, we also Asrano.
This a
so and so can self medication in your hospital.
They will me from what
yo dog bebo will be ya no the amount why ya da say. Yamfa calls no NC ewa na dog nyabre any yin 70 bia no from one dog. Yamfa last call and on chassis.
Okay. Bibi so ne hwemu ni ade okay menimu de ba bebre na wogide se ebia bibi nti wo so mo de nnuro bi so mo ani omo hwemu ni ade menya anyway meka no se bebre na etimi kan ni no enti enya careful so that we see kan no say even post traditional one probably so say proper traditional doctor and ama wa eye but when say that na on fa no ngu hwene mu ni wani mu ni ade because sometimes it me ka wani na e ka wani na say e confess aba ano so ebeye den and obi so can say or glaucoma from childhood any ade make catch and say wo onko check up because you can say ade we kira ohun but ebe na wo bu ti menyi na ni asa obi o chest pet na wo hu onko check up ebeboa na at least frequent check up and obi can say river blindness and a channel to and a man by me assure say oba hospital no e bia science na ye hu ye no and e wona ni ne skin mu ni ade na ye omo hwe say e bia or river blindness and I'm trying to run some tests, labs. Into even no so no river blindness no. And I know see who in someone so I know it make a dino. Aha, and I know so 1 year. Now say actually ni was a first no dear. But I then quite no to make was nifra. But and yet be an to no try na the river blindness nearby. Na idea how mo dey we no year test. And I'll be say some wash and chances no who some flash be when any so near the make say my advice will be our and radio to say more beyond for the nikai and share your friend is saying awia ana adia shensen it me reflecting light because I know one day crash say it me koso nifra and also the topic wo ho enti sebia ya say friend say sa friend say awia mani hwe obu a so me mani hwe awia o man space kwana de bia ne kohwe awia nani kohwe awia ne direct ye nya no sa etini pani de ya mose fa hwa ade a ebe ya no chen amara reflect into Mr. no on famra check up na yenhwe na yenhu how to help her to recover her vision. Okay. And obi ka say some red color be abanani so. When timan chemu yi because red now what can ebia pterygium. Ebia conjunctivitis, ebia say obi anim say eya red, say eya growth no kan wasem. Enti no me panacha wa omra na yenhwe the air causes our redness no say growth no say then you hu na yenso ano ema no. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, the dog say papa but asame twa to a whatever ma bad time ewo ne nkomo glaucoma hu.
You me that say and last encommand advice for parents and as a mothers especially they say wonyem akra 9 months akwantu enye easy and na obi am pesa obewo ba na to no afi after some time na oba na be nifra sebi na after akoye burden amount inti say about time for na so nya fa yafunu pe answer be fa yafunu kra be check na emu nya fa yafunu a wan kata tutu mi ka bi mutime ye oba o say oh ebia me pesa wo hwe mani ni se bia glaucoma na ye bo hu daru no ebi wo ho ana se ya bi wo ho a ebetuma ka me ba no mani na ne ba nani a mo hwe ma me wo ba na so no look out for the signs ya se moja be da wo ba nani so a ka ho wo ba nani ba ko ye kese chen ba ko ye ka ho wo ba nani na ye Claudia no so ka ho obu kwa ne ba nani fi nsuo saa hwe nye no se ba bi fi nsuo saa enye good sign ni nyina no tutumika fa wo ba ne bra ansana bibi afawase
enti year no yen check here ni how many times
the whole year no ultimate checking once say glaucoma ni bi ni ho a checking once a year eno nya bad but se bi wo obusua mu dia bomoden na ka checking twice a year na che se bibi ni ane enso anontem emma wo
enkra ne mpanifo nyina okay
yeah.
Dr. Rachel Kusi akosan no dog number ne say na fasedama endpoint homeopathic clinic ye do mo say papa said ye doctors ye no mo ba bia wan say mo yes check up or draw free screening in the otia no watumi kana so akono akwakoye bi ofre endpoint was 0244867068 obeboa yare bia e kire so ofre no 0244867068 dog phone number no maye
me da se pacha me number ne 020 885 2233
okay another one
0244 9 the same thing. Okay, 020 885 2233.
Okay, 020
885 2233. 106.33.
Okay, ntino obi wa hono ma no wantumi amfrɛ wo de opɔ de private nti wo frɛ doctor na watumi aboa no mom enkonya endpoint nso ɛhɔ odwonso na wohunu insufita wachire mema no akɔhɔ ma infections ahodo no nti ya na ɛha dwene niema bebre mu nyame ya adoma wɔkyena yenkɔ yesa free screening no bi frɛ 0244867068 0244867068 Shannon say coronavirus no one nam nti de wohia ne nsuo ne sam na wo hye won sa na ma tissue nkura hanki no kura tissue no na wo wie wo sneeze ana wo wagu ma no akyekere na de ato das mu kama wanya code mpie hyedem ne treat code no ma ne nkɔ wo hwisi bebra hwese nipa hwisi mu ye nso mo kasa wa bonti bebre ne ntesuo yesremo umie nyina mu ye ho ban sanitizer ne liquid soap mu mane nya adwuma bidi afia mankwa tamaklo mabna do ha mankwa Dr. Shine Akwa Nelly woni ni nua ba hajia di na fumani so nti wono so beboa ye de to Facebook live na page 1 for na akire me poni kama mo Maureen wona ayemti kama nti ko page 1 do me organize obe uti kama nso edi ama ye do bia se mo share o Facebook o comment say like share yankopon sham da sane nkwane ahoden wo ho nso a ebehia